Today, my own well-being is my main priority. I completely trust my inner voice. The more I get to know myself, the clearer it becomes what my life's purpose is. Today, I follow my heart and I discover my destiny. I have my special place in this world. My life's goal is to share with others the best parts of me. Today I offer the world the gift of love, passion, joy, and my talent. Right here, right now, I start moving towards my life's purpose. I am worthy of love and respect. I deserve good people around me. What my life purpose is only decided by me. All is good right here, right now. Today I embrace simplicity, peace, and relaxation. A peaceful heart makes a peaceful life. I trust that the universe sends me the best there is in every circumstances. By becoming peace, I create peace in every experience. I fill my whole being with the light of love, peace, and happiness. Peace starts when I give up controlling every detail. I am calm. I breathe in balance. And I breathe out imbalance. Where peace lives, there's no room for fear. Today, my mission is to be a better person for myself and for others. I am love. I am ready for a real and filled with love relationships. As I share love with others, the universe gives back love. I appreciate every person I meet as worthy of my love. I trust the universe that it knows what person I need in my life. Today I free myself from fear and I open my heart to welcome real love. I am grateful for the people I have in my life right now. I am the perfect partner for my perfect partner. I am worthy of a real relationship filled with love and respect. I deserve to be loved, and I allow myself to be loved. I am strong and healthy. My energy and vitality increase each and every single day. I am open to the free and natural flow of well-being. My inner voice guides towards the right ways of healing. Abundant health and well-being are my birthrights. Thank you for the vigor, health, and vitality. I feel better and more powerful right now. I love taking care of myself. Today, the food I give my body is my highest priority. I am grateful for the opportunity of balancing my mind, body, and soul. I am awakened to receive the highest wisdom. My inner voice guides in every moment of my life. My thinking is clear, organized, and focused. I am always aware of the right actions meant to help me reach my goals. When I know where I want to go, going there is a certainty. Today I'm fully in sync with my inner wisdom. Harmony is always a sign of inner balance. Thank you for showing me the way to my dream. I trust my intuition and my feelings. I am detached and always open to the divine guidance. I am filled with light, love, and peace. I always treat myself with compassion and respect. I am not perfect, I am just myself. I love myself. Today I allow myself to shine. I honor the best parts of me and I share them with others. I am proud of myself. I did good until now. I will be better. Today I allow myself to be stronger than my fears. I love myself, no matter what happens. I'm grateful for the traits, qualities and talents that make me unique. Thank you. I am the creator of my own experiences. I am loved and supported by the universe. I am a powerful spiritual being. I am able to attract everything I need. I am a spiritual being that has a physical experience. I am at peace with the world surrounding me, and the world is at peace with me. I choose to be happy, and I deserve to be happy. Today I create harmony, peace, and joy for myself. I am happy and calm right in this moment. I have everything I need in order to be happy. I give up old beliefs and I install new, healthier ones. I am a positive and important person of this earth. I'm confident. I happily build a happy relationship. I strongly believe that I'm attracting my soulmate. Others are attracting to me because my positive energy. I give up all negative thoughts and feelings about me. I'm proud of what I've become. I unconditionally love and accept myself. I am unique and special. I am worthy of others' respect. I welcome all the good things life offers me. Life loves me and I love life. My life is wonderful. Everything is well now and always be. To live fully and free is my birthright. I give life what I want it to give me. I'm happy to be alive. Life supports me. Life created me to become full. I trust life, and life supports me in every situation. My future is bright. I now live in love, light, and unlimited happiness. Any situation will turn out well. I am safe. All is good in my world. All works out. I free myself from any destructive fear and doubt. I accept myself and I create peace in my mind and in my heart. I am willing to forgive. Forgiveness is my precious gift. I forgive myself and others and I free myself. I am at peace. Divine peace and harmony surround me and live within me. I am tolerant and compassionate with myself and other beings. I am beautiful and everybody loves me. I am in the process of positive change. Only good things come to me. I am health, happiness, prosperity, and inner peace. I carefully listen to my body's messages. My body always works for a better health. I am whole and healthy. I am content. My intuition is always by my side. I'm ready to change for the better. I am prepared to leave aside any bad habits. I'm ready to install new mindsets, new routines. I deserve new conservative thoughts. I am inner peace. My body reflects it through a perfect health state. I am grateful for what I have right now. I welcome new experiences with arms wide open. I have faith that life is wonderful. I am loved because I exist. Others reflect the love I have for myself. I deserve to experience love. I have lovely people by my side, and I easily express my love to others. I have what it takes in my mind and in my soul to enjoy a loving and prosperous life. I have the perfect home. I feel comfortable in my space. I am blessed with a beautiful home. I spread love all around my space, and it gives me back warmth and comfort. I am at peace. I appreciate everything I do. I am enough just the way I am. I speak my mind whenever I feel like it. I ask for what I want. I claim my power. I am strong. I can face any challenge. I live in the present moment. The past is gone and has no power over me. Starting now, I am free. I create my thoughts. I choose only positive ones. I am safe and I am free. I free myself from any guilt. I do my best with what I know and understand, and I am conscious of. I am unlimited in creating the life that I want. I give love and joy, and they come back to me. I am perfect, and life is a joy. I create with love a wonderful life. My heart's door is always open, and I am safe. I let in only good, positive thoughts. I'm a strong love channel that heals. I'm determined to experience all life's joys. I am beyond excited to live in my body. I am meant to look the way I look, so I honor this with unconditional love. Each organ, each cell, each muscle and bone reacts to the love I send by giving me radiant health. Nothing and nobody can disturb my inner peace. I create the chaos and I make it go away. I am in charge. I am flexible and free. I accept that life is filled with changing experiences. I am open for change. I am not my parents' limitation. Fear and restrictions are false thoughts hanging from my mind. I wash them away with positive intentions. I observe my negative thoughts and I easily clear them out. I am created to experience love and kindness. My thoughts are my best friends. I now free myself from any destructive ideas. I believe in my dreams. My mind is a powerful tool and I use it in my own best interest. I give 100% in everything I do. I am patient. I take it step by step. I am aware that all starts with me. I love and appreciate myself. I am in charge of my own happiness. I take tough times as a sign to move in a different direction. My happiness lies within me. Nothing from the outside can give it to me. I'm responsible for my own feelings. My life is my creation. I stop complaining right here, right now. What is best has yet to come. I believe in the beautiful tomorrow. My future is filled with great opportunities. I'm grateful for every breath I take. I'm surrounded by loving people who encourage me to be healthy. Each day of my life is filled with content, hope, and gratitude. My body is connected to the universe's wisdom. Health is my birthright. Perfect health is my divine right. Right now, I claim this right. Every day, my body is filled with more and more energy, is healthier, and is filled with more vitality. My body speaks to me and tells me what it needs. My body does everything possible to create the perfect health state. I take care of it with love and respect. I am deeply grateful for the healing going on within every cell of my body. I free myself from every ill thought about people, incident, events, or anything else. I'm ready to heal my body. A healing energy flows within me now and always. I deserve to live a healthy and fulfilled life. I attract it every single moment. I eat well and appropriately hydrate my body. I have enough physical activity. I am able to make the best choices for myself. Joy and vitality are my natural states. My immune system protects my body in a wise and strong way. My body radiates pure vitality. Each system within my body functions perfectly. I'm grateful for all the healing process taking place within my body right now. I have a healthy and strong heart that beats in the perfect rhythm of life. My back is strong and supportive. I fully trust my intuition and wisdom. Whatever happens has a reason, and I can see the good in it. I free myself from anger. I trust life's process. I may not see the good in this tough moment, but I am aware that it's there. I gather all my hopes and courage, and I claim their power. I choose to be optimistic about any problem. I ask for help and guidance whenever I need to. I feel strong and present in my life. I am more than enough. I start doing right here, right now. I trust my decisions. This is the best time to act. This is the time to work out. This is the time to start eating well. I'm determined. I'm totally present in my relationship. I appreciate the quality time I spend with my loved ones. Kind words and love gestures are always present in my relationships. I'm deeply grateful for all the love and support that I receive from other people. My focus on the good things in my relationships. Whatever happens to me, it is meant to be. This is a great time to be alive. I put all my passion and energy in everything I do. I am comfortable with how I speak and how I behave. I free myself of the need to judge. I do my best to understand people more. I am compassionate. I am bound to experience the right events for my life. I am a fast learner. I am willing to invest time and patience in my growth. I understand that I have all I need to develop. As I forgive others, I forgive myself. I detach myself from the need to punish those who did me wrong. Their behavior is not my responsibility. I choose what is right and I heal myself while doing this. Others' behaviors do not determine who I am. I, and only I, can decide how to react in life. I choose to be loving and forgiving always. I control how I respond to other attitudes. People care about my feelings and they respect me. I am unconditional love. I always react with love and truth instead of fear and doubt. I'm able to learn how to make good decisions and how to create effective lifestyles for myself. I'm open to welcome others' love and admiration. I confront my pains and go past them. I am at peace with myself and with others around me. I am complete just the way I am. I focus on making my heart feel good and not my senses. I enjoy life every way I can. I believe in my heart's truth. I am capable of making myself feel safe and protected. I enjoy every single moment of my experience. I am willing to learn and to give unconditional love. I free myself from the need to change others. I focus on myself and what I need to improve. I am a wonderful creation. I choose to be happy for all my blessings. I create my own happy circumstances. I detach myself from negative vibes. I avoid gossip and the people who do it. I'm useful. I'm wanted. I'm effective. I enjoy my whole being. Nothing has power over me unless I allow it to. I'm free. I am for inner peace and not for material things. I treasure the present moment. Any worries about the future are a useless waste of energy. I am safe to free myself from the past. I am the perfect piece of my life's puzzle. Right here, right now, I start building my own perfect life. I take care of myself and I am safe. I am destined for good things. I am patient. I respect my own rhythm. I found peace in the love I give and receive from others. I am satisfied with my actions. I can love myself right now without waiting for others to do it. I am completely relaxed. I am safe in this very moment. I am polite and kind with others and myself. The world is what it is. I choose to be kind and respectful. I choose to rewrite my story with love and wisdom. I let go of regrets and I start a new chapter. I choose what is right and the universe rewards me. I am free to make my own right choices. I am in command. I deserve to be appreciated for the good things that I do. I inhale life and exhale shame. I inhale love and exhale guilt. I believe that everything is possible. I'm here for a purpose. The universe will keep me safe to fulfill this purpose. I help others, and others will help me. It is safe to open up with new people and new experiences. I free myself from the guilt of being happy. I deserve my happy moments. I welcome life in its fullness. I cherish all moments, either good or bad. I have the wisdom and the guidance I need to work things out no matter what. I live my life the way I feel, and life rewards me. I'm able to center my heart on happiness and love. I focus on my own experiences and not on others. People accept me just the way I am. Life flows through me and I embrace its energy. I am grateful to be here. It is safe to share my love with others. It is safe to share my life with others. Love is everything. Winning is not. I live by what my heart dictates. I go past my unhealthy choices to discover my real life meaning. I am willing to try everything that life gives me. I am a warrior. I don't give up. Starting right now, I make the impossible possible. I can do whatever I need to do because I'm supported. I can and I will. I'm able to move forward with faith, with an open mind and with joy. I am motivated to move in order to create a perfect circumstances for me. I have the capacity to learn and to teach others. I am able to make a step forward and speak my truth. I am capable. It is okay to wish for something that somebody else can offer. I can ask for my rights and still be a good person. I am able to accept defeat and move forward. Just because I haven't reached my goals, it doesn't mean that my actions weren't efficient. Others' opinions are never more valid than mine. Maybe I wish to help my loved ones, but it's not necessary to do this all the time. If I choose to say no, this doesn't make me a bad person. If I say no to somebody who asks for my help, it doesn't mean that I had to say yes. I feel good in my own skin, even though not everybody likes me. Anything I need to know will be revealed to me at the right time. There is enough good for everybody in this world. I am worthy of good things. I create the perfect conditions for my perfect life. I ignore the obstacles and I focus on fulfilling my own good. Anything I focus on increases, so I focus only on the treats my life offers me. I'm on my way towards my best self. I am developing. I dissolve all negative vibrations. I align with the divine positive frequencies. I trust where my inner voice guides me. I found a way when others tell me there isn't one. I listen to other voices, but I let them go past me. I respect my dignity. I make time for myself. I'm capable of doing grand things because I trust my intuition. I use my present time, not my future. I choose to make things happen right here and right now. I trust what I speak. I cherish my uniqueness and I am safe to share it with those around me. My asset is myself. I'm free to be myself. I'm responsible only for my own attitude. I feel blessed for my 2 feet that help me move. I'm grateful for the changes I've been through. I deserve a better life. My mind is open to receive all the prosperity this universe has to offer. I am in a constant state of grace and contentment. I choose only quality content to fill my mind with. I spread out into the world only good energies and positive vibes. It is okay to ignore certain people. I can choose to not speak with certain people. I am a good friend, even though I don't call my friends that often. I am a good child, even though I don't tell my parents how much I love them. I am a deserving person, even though I'm not fully aware of my worthiness. I am more focused and less distracted. I am more silent and less noisy. I am more willing and less ignorant. I am complex. I have all that I need to build amazing experiences for others and myself. I am perfect just the way I am. I claim my worth and the universe reveals it to me. My heart is value and I take good care of it. I protect myself from any bad vibrations. I dance on my own music. It is okay for others to not understand me. I am okay with myself and it is enough. I am comfortable speaking with myself in the mirror. I am wrong. I'm sorry. Thank you. I believe in you. I'm proud of you. I need you. I trust you. I respect you. I am worth living this life. I control my thoughts in the direction that I choose. I am the creator of my world. I love my body profoundly, deeply, and joyously. My body has its own wisdom and I fully trust it. My looks are just a projection of what I think about myself. I become more beautiful and more shiny each and every day. I love the person I see in the mirror. I choose to see the divine perfection in every cell of my body. As I love me more, I love others to love me. I am love and I am compassion. Deficiency transformed through love and acceptance. Right here, right now, I choose to honor my beauty, my strength, and my unique way of being. I love the way I feel when I take care of me. Today, my own well-being is my main priority. I completely trust my inner voice. The more I get to know myself, the clearer it becomes what my life's purpose is. Today, I follow my heart and I discover my destiny. I have my special place in this world. My life's goal is to share with others the best parts of me. Today, I offer the world the gift of love, passion, joy, and my talent. Right here, right now, I start moving towards my life's purpose. I am worthy of love and respect. I deserve good people around me. What my life purpose is only decided by me. All is good right here, right now.